Hello everybody, Carrie here, and today I'm going to show you how to make some mason jar soups. Today I'm going to feature a chicken or a turkey noodle soup, which is absolutely delicious, and it's perfect for this time of year when we're looking for something warm and hearty, yet really healthy. And the beauty of making your soups ahead of time in these mason jars is come lunchtime or dinner when you're rushed and you're on the go, you've got it prepped ahead of time. And it makes sure that you're on track and you're enjoying that hearty, healthy, delicious lunch or dinner time meal. So we're going to start with the mason jar, and what we're going to do is add our seasoning. So today we're making a turkey soup, which is perfect after the holidays when you've got all that leftover turkey in your fridge. So I'm going to feature Epicure's chicken broth, which is super low in sodium, gluten-free, and it also contains nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is an inactive yeast that's super healthy. It's full of vitamins and minerals, and it's full of B12, which is really great, especially for vegans, where you find B12 in your red meats. So this is a really great product to use instead. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of the chicken broth. Now I'm going to add some of the garlic and onion nutritional yeast from Epicure. This nutritional yeast has a nutty, cheesy texture, but it's vegan. It's delicious when added to soups and stews, to salads, or even you can shake it on top of pasta or popcorn. So I'm going to add, actually I add 1 tablespoon of the garlic and onion nutritional yeast. And now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Epicure's garden vegetable mix. This is a dip mix, but because it's full of dehydrated veggies, you can also use it in your soups and stews. It even has little broccoli buds, which are the top little pieces of the broccoli that are dehydrated, full of veggies, absolutely delicious. So it also shows you how our dip mixes are very versatile. And then I like to add a little bit of SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. Only about 1/2 teaspoon, which is the reverse side of this spoon. Amazing little spoon here. It's called the 4-in-1 spice spoon made by Epicure. You've got your tablespoon, teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, and then there's a line on here which is a 1/4 teaspoon. 4-in-1, and it fits in every Epicure jar, which makes it even more fabulous. And now I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt. I'm going to use Epicure's herb garlic sea salt. Okay, so add as little or as much as you prefer. And now we're going to add our vegetables. So I like to add a stalk of celery, and I'm going to use Epicure's ceramic slicer during this step. Okay, so using your Epicure ceramic slicer, this is really great. You can just pop it right over your jar, and you can slice up your celery or any vegetables. Look at that, it's raining celery. I love this little blade. It is one of the best little workhorses in your kitchen. It's got a ceramic blade, which is sharper than steel, and it's just so handy. I know some of the slicers out there, you have to put all these bells and whistles and attach it, and by the time you get it out, you're done. So this is just quick, simple, easy. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of carrot. So I got to peel this carrot up, and I'm going to use Epicure's ceramic Y peeler. Again, this is another really innovative product from Epicure. It's ceramic, so the blade is sharper than steel. And as you can see, look how easy it is to peel a carrot. Just amazing, just glides like you're cutting through butter. Great little investment. All right, I'm going to cut off the ends using Epicure's ceramic 5-inch knife. As you can see, I'm a real fan of our ceramic products. Anything to make the job easier in the kitchen, I'm all over that. So placing your blade over your jar, you're going to slice up your carrot, and you're going to rain carrot in your jar. So as much or as little veggies as you like. I'll probably do 1/4. That looks good. Now I'm doing a single serving for myself for lunch. If you wanted to make this family size, you could add more and fill your jar up. So now I'm going to do some red pepper. Love using Epicure's ceramic knives to cut pepper. Look at that. You know, sometimes the skin of the pepper sometimes it's tough and you kind of have to push pretty hard with your knife to get through it. not with ceramic knives from Epicure. They just, look at that, just glide right through the pepper. Makes your job so much easier. So add some pepper. You could add a few mushrooms here. I'm going to add a little bit of fresh green onion because I love it. Fresh green onion. And you could do some spinach, you could do some cabbage. I've got some spring mix here. I just grabbed about a half a handful, and using the ceramic blade, I just chop it nice and fine. Okay, now we're going to add the noodles, and I'm going to use rice noodles, vermelli noodles, and I just take, because it's a single serving, about a half a handful like that. And I just kind of crunch it as I put it in the jar. And now we need our protein. So I've got some leftover turkey here. I'm going to add the turkey on top. And then you can seal it up, put it in your fridge until you're ready to have lunch. And I'm ready. So you're going to boil some water. And then using the boiled water, you're going to fill it. So this is a single serving, so I'm just going to do it about halfway full. Again, if you wanted to make it even bigger for, serving for 2 or 3, you would add more seasoning and you would fill the water right to the top. Now be very careful when you shake this jar because it's hot. It's got boiling water in here. So you're going to shake, 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 shake your jar soup. Shake it up. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then get ready to enjoy a hearty, delicious, healthy mason jar soup. Okay, so that's been 5 minutes. I've let my jar sit, and just grab a bowl and you're going to serve your soup. Amazing. I love the vermicelli rice noodles. Can you see that? Delicious. So I hope you enjoy today's cooking class with Carrie.